will be very excited. That's just how she feels, you know?
Yeah, no, you have to respect that.
Yeah.
Sure.
But I mean, it's important. She's fine. She is. She's trying to bring well. Yeah, she adores fireworks and 4th of July.
Colin, your favorite holiday is Halloween.
Huh?
I don't know. My favorite. Sometimes I think Thanksgiving is actually.
Really?
Because it's really low stress for me and I eat a lot.
Well, yeah, what's not to like? That's actually one of the reasons why I love 4th of July so much.
Low stress.
Yeah, it's very low
Oh.
stress, and just the people you love the most come together, not the people you're obligated to see.
Right. Oh, it's a star.
And you know, and summer is such a low stress time for me anyway, and you get a free show. I mean, how can you beat that?
You beat that by dressing up as a zombie. That's how you beat that.
Oh,
I know
Halloween.
what we're doing next
Halloween's
year.
a lot of fun too.
Love
Zombie 4th of July.
you.
Zombie Independence.
Presidential cosplay 4th of July.
Yeah.
Actually, there's
Jefferson calling it.
Zombie.
Oh my God! Dressed like dead presidents.
I call Chester A. Arthur.
I'm totally Teddy Roosevelt.
Oh, that's badass. That is so badass.
I'll get a mustache
I'll call Chester A.
rifle.
Arthur. That's all I.
and some taxidermy.
You know, I hear that.
James
Cat
K.
Taft
Polk.
and this one bad and all that.
Shut your mouth.
Let's talk about Taft.
I did everything I wanted to do in one term and did not seek re-election.
They call it a
There you go.
I don't need to, babe. It was so important, like, there was some exchange of letters between two acquaintances of his, and like, one of the guys gave Taft a horse, and they were just talking about this poor horse and how his back was gonna break.
Well, didn't he get stuck in a bathtub? That's all I remember.
Who?
That it might have been that he got a bigger tub installed so that wouldn't happen.
Okay.
He doesn't get enough credit.
Seriously, next year we're totally dressing like dead presidents.
Let's do it.
Can you imagine the heat level?
And then you have to like find
In
some
wool.
fact about your dead president and read it, and you
No,
have to guess who you are.
I really think that we should all like
Of course, to be Chester A. Arthur, I have to like grow
yeah,
sideburns,
just
Yes,
like
you do.
massive
you like
sideburns.
inject like random.
Worked on it for a couple months.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
train them.
We should all memorize his speech.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, and
Yes.
and that's the thing. You have to guess. Everyone has to guess who you are.
Actually, I'll do Lincoln. Then can
I
put
was
all my
gonna
hair
do
in the top hat.
Lincoln.
Shortest Lincoln ever.
Exactly, I'm midget Lincoln.
You can be the
Mini.
But then I'd have to go like something really obscure, like be Rutherford B. Hayes.
Oh wow!
Oh, that's nice.
Isn't it beautiful?
Now you've got Sheldon Steve.
Yeah. Here it goes.
Yay. Wow. That looked like a spaceship.
Oh wow! Look at all the lavenders and purples. Wow. They open up on one another. It's really beautiful.
Seriously.
Still not gonna beat it.
That's something pretty.
There's gonna be just an enormous one here in a little bit.
Woo! I can hear them. I can hear them shrieking from here.
Now you
That's,
sometimes they have to reload it.
that's a bad encore because an encore is only like when they're like, encore, 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 and then they're like, oh, okay, if you said so. If a band just is all like, oh, hey, why didn't they ask for an encore? We're shooting anyways. That's a bad ass band, not the way. Warning, removing gatehouse potential like serious injury or death. Persons are to keep clear. The gate is able to move by warning. Operate the gate in the area. Persons are to operate the gate only when the gate area is in sight and free from air.
Does anyone know, Lee, you might know this, what's the difference, technical difference between people and persons?
I think it's just preference.
I actually think that persons are groups to like specified individual groups of people.
So
Like,
it's,
speaking of different like ethnicities, and you'd be speaking of the persons.
so it's just a different form of the demonstrative?
Persons, I think, human ancestry, not people.
And that was the crappiest encore ever.
Wow. Wow.